Hey guys, how to create this awesome slit scan poster effect in Photoshop. Let's jump right into it. First, create a new document with a white background. Go to File New, choose your preferred document settings, and click Create. I already have mine ready, so let's move on. Next, select the rectangle tool. Open the gradient presets, choose a gradient from the basics folder, and make sure the stroke is enabled with a white color. Draw a thin vertical rectangle. Then switch to the Move tool, hold Alt, Option on Mac, and drag the shape to create multiple evenly spaced copies until the entire canvas is filled. Once you're done, hold Shift and select all of the shape layers. Press Ctrl+G to group them. Now, go to File Save As and save this document as a PSD file. This will be used as the custom texture for the slit scan effect. Next, open the image you want to edit. Select the polygonal lasso tool and make a rough selection around the area where you want the effect to appear. Go to Filter Gallery Glass. Set the distortion to around 10, smoothness to 1. Then click Load Texture and choose the slit texture PSD file you just created. Set the scaling to around 50%, then click OK. You can now finish your design by adding text, graphics, or any other creative elements to complete the poster. Add text with white will suit this image style. Also add white thin shape line. Now thin shape line. And that's it. That's how you can create a stylish slit scan poster effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, NETTO DOCH, and turn on the notification bell for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.